Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we'll explore something great. Every technology have always the possibility to implement. There is no limit, but always has a new beginning. Well, we have here ZWCAD 2026. We'll explore 10 powerful and filtered upgrades in ZWCAD 2026. AI-powered Smart Match and Objects Count, ZWCAD Advanced Toolbox, ZWCAD Enhanced Smart Plot, Parameterization, Similar Search, Dimension Intelligence, Quick Drawing Opening, Upgraded User Interface, ZWCAD Perpetual License, and yes, ZWCAD Installation Guide. If you are a busy professional, you will get filtered technique to streamline your designing and drafting task. If you are a student, you are most welcome to the CAD world. Switching ZWCAD exactly not a daunting task. It is a kind of great exploration, means you can transform your experience almost in zero waiting time without any learning curve. Natural commands, familiar user interface, you will get full control from the day one. And you will get faster speed as compare AutoCAD. One of the best thing that I personally like is Perpetual License. No subscription trap, just purchase one time and own forever. Definitely, I will let you at the end how to install ZWCAD quickly and check out for 30-day free trial. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. AI-powered Smart Match. This feature is so useful. This multi-story residential building plan and elevation we have, okay? So, the key challenge we are getting here, multiple windows, sliding doors, but not getting in order, okay? Means we are not getting in block frame. So, entire separate objects we have. So, how we will identify? Let this here. Bash block, okay? Match objects, specify source object, and select one object only single object, okay? This same entity we have to detect entirely, okay? So what you do, enter one time, specify matching area, you can choose your matching region, will take this much area, okay? Enter one time, this is okay. Match, when you will match, entire similar object will be selected. Why? Now you have option to convert these separate entities into particular blocks in one time, separately but entirely in just one time. Okay. Provide your black name. Okay. Numbers we are getting 80. So the object is slide window. Okay. Just uniform scale. This drawing in centimeter. Choose your unit. Bash block. Create. Okay. Well, what happened exactly? Number of selections, we are getting 80. All that converted into blocks. Before we are getting separate entities like line, hatches. Each pattern we are getting separate. But now you are getting in one time entire objects, similar objects into block. Well, not limited to this. For example, let this here bash block, match object, specify source object. See, I want to get similar object that doesn't matter scale or angle, okay? But similar object in the entire drawing. Specify matching area, match object tick with angle and with scale. Just select all, enter. See what happened exactly. When you will click on match, your angle and scale doesn't matter. it will detect same pattern, entire object. If you see here, whether it's you are getting bigger or smaller or different angle, it will detect and will select in just one time. Same as it is, you can convert into block. Means if you have similar pattern with different angle and different scale, this will also detect and will convert effectively into block, as you see here. So same block we are getting different scale and angle. So this feature is so useful in creating multiple entities that have different angle and scale. Objects count. Well, this feature is so useful. Let this here count and choose from here current drawing. Okay, you can choose as much as blocks you have in your current drawing. Okay, for example, I will choose this much. Now let this here count. This is okay. Just wait for a while. This is okay. You have option to remove from here also. For example, let this remove. Okay. This is okay. Let this count. Okay, we are getting here. You want create table. Okay, and click here. Now you see here, you are getting detailed table. If you have same block with two different name, it will give like this. If you see here, sofa 1 also, and count separate. See, not limited to block. You can select any particular object, text, line, dimensions, or anything that will let you detail counting. For example, I want to count this particular block 1. Okay, enter. It got added here. Okay, I will mention its name. Okay, let this door 1. Other selection, circular column I have selected. Okay, let this again different pattern right here, circular column. Then again let this rectangular column. Let this hatch also, this balcony hatch. Okay, and I will count this car also. Let this here and write your car name. Okay, let this one slide frame also. Okay, this sliding door. Okay, and let this one more LED lighting. Okay, so I want to count similar object as much as this entire selections we have. Okay, let this dome area. Now I want to count entire separate but particular all in one time in detail table. Okay, so number of 8 object we have selected. Okay, let this one more also and right here window 2. Okay, number of 9 object. Count and just wait for a while. Similar object as much as count you have, you will get here. This is okay, and create table and place your table here where you want. As you see here, number of circular column, rectangular column, balcony has sliding door, LED 720. So each count we are getting in one time perfectly from this powerful object count tool in ZWCAD 2026. Number 2, ZWCAD Advanced Toolbox. Here we are getting something great. If you see here, a kind of great plugins, we are getting entire drafting and designing solution in just one place. Whether layer automation, block automation, text, dimension, selection, display, editing, file comparison, we are getting multiple advanced tools that help you faster your designing and drafting process. As you see here, layer base, you can isolate particular layer, you can on off, you can freeze effectively. So ZWCAD Advanced Toolbox you are getting here. So that doesn't require additional list protein. You will get most selected and most featured command Here, you can change block base point directly from this toolbox. You do not require to search command wise, or you do not require to add additional list routine for this kind of particular task. So, ZWCAD 2026 Toolbox will help you a lot to speed up your designing and drafting process. You will get most filtered command here at one place. Whether you can customize its function, its short key as per your convenience. Let this here toolbox text mask, select all, enter. Well, you are getting entire text mask in just one time. Something like this. As you see here, same as it is, unmask, select all, enter. Now it come back to normal. One of the most exciting feature, convert text to P-line, okay, and select your particular text. You are getting neat and clean, perfect text to P-line conversion, as you see here. For example, I can explode my text and I can provide wonderful gradients, or it can be anything, okay. For example, I have exploded this text from Toolbox, okay. Now you see here. So we are getting wonderful explosion in this Toolbox in ZWCAD text to P-line, as you see here. You can change dimension style directly from the existing dimension. Set current dimension and select any existing dimension. Now you see here. So directly you can do this from ZWCAD Toolbox, as you see here. Just select any current dimension to activate that particular dimension style. Now you see here. For example, I want to change this one. Let this here. Set as current style. And I will take dimensioning. I will get like this. So you can effectively change dimension style directly from existing dimension style. You can place center point for any circular or arc base point. Let this here. Center line and click over the point. You have to select only two particular line, as you see here. So this way you can provide center line in just one time for any two lines, as you see here. Center to center we are getting in just one time. This way you can identify any center line. Well, not limited to this, you can place arc or circle center line, center mark, as you see here. You want to place center mark here. Any arc or circle directly you can place just by clicking over the arc or circle. Toolbox selection, selection by object, selection by color, selection by line type. You can do your selection in many way, as you see here. So I have selected by particular color. So it will select entire object as per color. If you want to select particular block, particular object in any reference like by layer, by line type, by color, by block, even by hatches, you can select directly from Toolbox. You can hide any object directly from display, as you see here. See, this is not layer off, okay. This is hiding any particular object in just one time. Hide by color. You want to hide by particular color. Well, you can hide, as you see here. With same color, your entire object will be hid. ZWCAD Toolbox display feature help you hiding or unhiding your objects by color or by particular entity in just one time. Break line symbol, first point, second point, and choose your midpoint, your break point. Let this here. Now you see here. This way directly you can break your line, something like this. You can find out total area in just one time from Toolbox. Well, you have setting also, means you can choose icon only and when you will apply, you will get direct only icon based. You want text only, apply it here, and you will get text based your tab here. Now you see here, you want both icon and text, keep both. And here you are getting option to customize its short key. As much as entire toolbox we have, you can customize. I mean, the regular tool you are using in your work, you can customize as per your preferences, as per your favorite short key. Okay. Here, ZWCAD give you option to customize your toolbox short key. I have customized layers with my reference, with my short key. Now you see here, for example, I have isolated, I have switched. So ZWCAD Toolbox give you option to customize your short key as per your preferences. This will make Toolbox more familiar and help you designing and drafting as much as highly efficient. Well, you have option to switch on or off. You can switch off, switch on these toolbox just from here. Number 3, Smart Plot. One of the most featured, powerful functions we are getting here. How to print multiple sheets without opening the drawing. This number of sheets we have. Remember this layer, okay? We will print multiple sheets without opening the drawing. Just close this drawing. I will take reference, okay? Now type here ZWP. Conditional mode, your layer, plot line. The layer, as I said, remember this layer, okay? Choose multi-document. Select your document, select your drawing only. Just locate your drawing, okay? Just wait for a while. Well, number of 15 sheets, 16 sheets got selected. Electronic copy, PDF, multi-page, automatic paper sizing. It will detect paper size automatically. You don't require to switch manually. If you see here, first one A2, then automatically we are getting A4, all horizontal. Then again we are getting 210 into 297, which is vertical. Means number of 2 vertical sheets we have, one bigger A2 and rest all A4. It got selected automatically. Locate your PDF file where you want to save, okay? And just rename that PDF file and save, okay? And just wait for a while. It will print without opening it. We did not open this drawing, okay? So you will get complete combined into one PDF, your number of sheets as much as you have selected. And the great thing you are getting here, automatic paper detection, automatic size detection. It will detect your paper size automatically, whether horizontal, vertical, smaller or bigger. It will detect perfectly in just one time. Now you see here, we are getting this PDF. Wherever we are getting landscape, portrait or any sizes, we will get as per this one. If you see here, this staircase we are getting in vertical. So this way, horizontal, vertical or any format, this wonderful feature you are getting in ZWCAD Smart Plot. Yes, not limited to this. You have multiple options. Let this select drawing. See, you can select one or more as much as you want. Well, if you want to print hard copy, for example, you have electronic copy, DWF, JPG, PNG, PDF, printer. If you have printer, scanner, plotter, whatever, you can do directly without opening it in just one time. Splitting drawing. If you want to create separate drawing file as per sheet, okay, as per sheet. Let this here, number of 16 sheets we have, we will keep in this drawing folder, okay, and plot. So number of 16 sheet separate you will get in drawing format. What? In drawing format. Yes, without opening it, we are getting 16 sheet separate. If you see here. So this is the best possible way and only way to split your drawing separately but all in one time. So let this open this drawing. If you see here, we are getting same size, neat and clean as per our sheet. So this way effectively you can split your one drawing file into multiple drawing sheet as much as your sheet you have. Of course, ZWCAD Smart Plot not limited to this. Let this here ZW plot. Okay, conditional mode, multi-document. Multi-document means you are referencing from the folder. Okay, yes, you have option to generate layout. If you want to generate layout without opening that drawing, yes, you have option. You can select your size and generating layout as per number of sheets. Okay, choose your CTB. Okay, what you do, just let this plot and just wait for a while. As much as sheets you have, it will generate number of layout all in one time. Well, we will open that drawing. We are getting that sheet layout or not. As you see here, as much as number of sheets we have, we are getting in layout, neat and clean size. There is no any interruption. Whether vertical, horizontal, landscape, portrait, that doesn't matter. You will get neat and clean layout just from drawing sheet. As you see here, again not limited to this. Let this ZW plot, universal mode, this document, select this two document. Okay, see what happened exactly. Electronic copy, PDF, multiple page, automatic paper sizing. Locate your PDF file output. Okay, and just let this plot and provide your drawing name. Let this here clip. See, it is exactly clipping your clean rectangle whatever you are getting inside. Means you can directly clip any particular highlights. For example, we have chosen this much frame. Whatever we are getting, this road, this plot layout, neat and clean, as per that clean rectangle, whatever you will get inside, it will detect and will print as much as you want in just one time. So must take a try. You will save tons of time with ZWCAD Smart Plot. Number 4, parameterization. For example, a simple template 100 by 300 door size we have. Okay, length and width. Let this here parametric manager. See, I will change here. Okay, now you see here, it is exactly like dynamic block but better than dynamic block. Okay, you can create any complex, any detailed custom pattern that you need to customize each and every time, but parameterization tool help you create one time and customize as per your required sizes. Okay, so just for the simple, I have created the simple door frame to showcase how you customize its sizes. Well, how we will create it? It is as simple as you have. Okay, let this rectangle consider 100 by 240. Okay, I will provide offset 5 unit, and again let this 25 unit, and again 5 unit. Okay, now you have to provide auto constraint. Okay, this is very important. You are getting advanced feature that creating constraint in one time for entire lines, P lines, or any particular entities. Okay, now what you do, let this very carefully and provide dimensioning. Let this linear dimension to lock your dimensions. Okay, let this one also. So as much as blocks, particular lines you have, you must have to provide dimension constraint. Okay, so let this here also. So straight to horizontal and straight to vertical, provide everywhere your dimension constraint. Okay, now if I will change here, our door frame will change. For example, I will keep here 240. Now you see here, I will keep here 190 centimeter, as you see here. So this way effectively you can utilize this feature for your any particular identical detail that you require repeated customization every time. Number 5, similar search. Well, let this here, similar search. I want to find out this object from outside source. Okay, you can locate any drawing from here. Let this here, add file. I will add this to file. Okay, this is okay, and search. Just wait for a while. Now you see here, similar block as much as you have, you will get here. And directly you can insert. If you see here, you are getting different blocks, but similarly. So we have located our bed. Now you see here, you are getting similar as much as bed you have entire selected drawing you will get here. As you see here, I want to find out this particular object. Okay, let us select this two and browse from here. Specify. You can specify from existing drawing. Okay, now it will give you similar block as much as you have, as you see here. So this way you can extract, you can find out and can place your similar blocks in the drawing, as you see here. Number 6, dimension intelligence. This AI powerful dimension intelligence we are getting here. Let this here, DIM. When you choose dimensioning, it will detect your dimension phrase, as you see here. So you do not require provide any particular command dimension related. For example, when I will go near the arc, it will detect radius. When I will go linear, it will detect linear. So you do not require provide any align, linear or radial dimension. Means wherever you will go, intelligently it will detect how to place dimensions, as you see here. At the same time I go arc area, it will detect for radius. When I go for linear, it will detect for linear, as you see here. Let the center line, you have this wonderful tool you can place, as you see here. Center mark, you can directly place any arc or circle center mark. So this powerful tool you will get directly in this dimension toolbox also. Movement, your dimension text movement, as you see here. For example, when I take 2 frame, it will go like this. When I will come here, it will adjust. If you see here, it is getting like this. But when I go straight, it directly plays straight to X or straight to Y. Number 7, quick drawing opening. I will open this huge drawing. Okay, this big drawing file we have multiple sheets here. Okay, for the reference, it will take few seconds to open this heavy drawing. Means if you have any complex or any heavy file, you can directly perform the task without any lagging issue. I do not feel any lagging as compare AutoCAD. So this helped me speed up my work without any lagging issue. You can perform the task almost in no time. As usual, I am commanding Toolbox, as you see here. I do not feel any lagging whether it is heavy drawing file. So ZWCAD powerful feature that I personally appreciate, it's heavy drawing work without any lagging. Number 8, upgraded user interface. ZWCAD is just so familiar. Why I add this feature? The reason, without any learning curve. Switching ZWCAD exactly not a task. It is a kind of exploration and will let you almost in 0 waiting time. Means you do not require any learning curve. You can directly switch your ZWCAD effectively. You will get familiar user interface, similar commands but lightest and fastest productivity as compare AutoCAD. Well, you are getting advanced feature, wonderful toolbox, ZWCAD Smart Plot and lot. So switching ZWCAD is just easy. Exactly, it is not like a daunting task. It is like exploration. You must take a try and experience ZWCAD seamless speed and efficiency. Number 9. Perpetual license. No subscription trap. Purchase ZWCAD one time and own it forever. So there is no subscription trap. If you are a company, freelancer, or any individual or organization, I must go with ZWCAD. You can save your financials to utilize in another area. If you are regular user AutoCAD or any CAD software that familiar with ZWCAD, I recommend must go with ZWCAD. You will get faster speed. Of course, you can download ZWCAD directly from the link below. You can check out for 30-day free trial. Number 10. ZWCAD Installation Guide. Switching ZWCAD is not a task. It is like exactly exploration. How to download and install. Let this very quickly, okay. Type ZWCAD, okay, and go to here. ZWCAD 2026 for engineers. Start 30-day free trial. When you download, for the first time you will get 30-day free trial. Must check 30-day free trial, okay, and provide your email ID and password, okay, and fill these important details like your organization, location, name, email, and contact. Well, finish. Just download simply from here and just wait for a while. Depend on your bandwidth. It will take little time, maximum 2 minutes, okay. Story finish. Go to downloaded folder, okay, and install from here. Open. We will see how many time will take ZWCAD to install in this PC. Okay, let this continue. Agree and install. Finish. Just wait. Maximum 2 to 3 minutes. It will not take you a lot of time. Again, it is lighter. It will not take your lot of space also. It will not slow your computer also. Okay. So ZWCAD you can download faster. You can install much faster as compare other CAD software. Exactly. We have successfully installed ZWCAD 2026. So downloading and installation ZWCAD is not time consuming. Yes. And switching ZWCAD exactly not a task. It is like exploration. You can transform your experience almost in zero waiting time without any learning curve. You do not require any additional learning if you are familiar with AutoCAD. Of course, if you see here, we have successfully installed ZWCAD 2026 in this PC. Must check 30-day free trial, okay? Must explore ZWCAD. You will get amazing speed. How you got these features? Just share your feedback in the comment, okay? Well, if you have any doubt, must leave your comment. As soon as possible, I will reply your query. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.